Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, we are gonna cover how to change email address on GoCardless account. Changing your email address on GoCardless is a straightforward process. So let's jump into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and then type in GoCardless.com. Sign into your account from the main official web page by clicking on the login button and entering your credentials. Once you're signed into your GoCardless account, click on the settings option at the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, click on user settings. Right under personal details, click on the email option and remove the current email. Enter a new email you would like to change to. Once you are done, click on save changes. You will need to enter your password for your GoCardless account in order to make the change. After entering the password, click on submit, and soon after you are done, you will be able to change your email address on GoCardless. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.